Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the sixth question in the exercise 3.1. Now let's look at the question. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is, they have given three subdivisions: intersecting lines, parallel lines and coinciding lines. So first let us understand the significance of the geometrical representation of two lines. So the two lines are geometrically said to be intersecting if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So let's first note down the equation. 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. For this equation, the A1 is already known to us as 2, the B1 is 3 and the C1 is minus 8. So now I'm going to pick a random number for A2. Let's say it is going to be 4. So 2 by 4 is going to be 1 by 2, which means I can write any number below 3 except 6. So let's put this as 5. So now what happens? This fraction is 2 by 4, that is A1 by A2. B1 by B2 is 3 by 5. They are not equal. So therefore, this line that I form with this coefficient is going to be an intersecting line. So now let's form the equation for the next line, which is going to be 4x plus 5y plus any number of our choice is okay. So for now, I'm filling that value with 10. So the second equation is 4x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. So if you treat the pair of these equations, 2x plus 3y minus 8 and 4x plus 5y plus 10, they are going to be two lines that intersect each other. Now, in the second subdivision, they wanted parallel lines. So what is the condition for parallel lines? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. So in the case of this first equation, we already know A1 as 2, B2 is 3, C1 as minus 8. So now let's start filling the A2s. So if I'm going to mark the A2 as going to be 4, now let's see what happens to B2. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So I have to place a 6 in the place of B2. So 3 by 6 also is 1 by 2. Now for the minus 8, I can place any number here that is other than minus 16. Why? Because minus 8 by minus 16 will fetch a 1 by 2, which is not what is required to us. So I'm going to place this value again as 10. So let us see now. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, 3 by 6 is also 1 by 2. However, minus 8 by 10 is not 1 by 2. So we got the condition A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So now let's write this as an equation. 4x plus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0 is a line that is going to be parallel to the given line 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So in the last subdivision, they wanted a coinciding line. So what is coinciding line? One line exactly lies on top of the other. So what is the condition for that? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So we know the values of B1 and C1. So let's write 2, 3 and minus 8. Now in order to write, let's fix the fractions. So the easiest way is multiply a constant with all the numbers here. So let me take the number of multiplication as 5. So 2 into 5 is 10 and 5 into 3 is 15 minus 8 into 5 is 40. So now let's see, I have to place a minus sign so that the ratio remains the same. So let's see, 2 by 10 is 1 by 5, 3 by 15 is 1 by 5, minus 8 by minus 40 is 1 by 5. So A1 by A2 is becoming equal to B1 by D2 is equal to C1 by C2. Now write these equations as coefficients. So 10x plus 15y minus 40 is equal to 0. This is a line that coincides with the given input line 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Please note the multiplying factor that you use can be any number other than 1 so that you get to have a distinct number here. Otherwise, there are no rules, regulations as to see to what number you're multiplying with. Okay. So just remember the formulas of conditions for A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Depending upon these values, you're able to generate an intersecting or a parallel or a coincident line. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 7th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.